Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Kathleen from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, right? And our products include the valve cap, the valve assembly, the injector, the pumps, repair kit, etc. And today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve, this one. Let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages, this kind of blue VCI and T raw spec. Here, this is the product SKU, and also it includes our product code F00ZC01330. And by the way, for the local labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. So, any of customers, if you had such demand, please feel free to contact us. And now I will open it to show you the details. Let's check it. Wow, let's see it. And inside is this kind of transparent bottles. It's very hard. It can be better protect the control valve during the transplantation, so no worries about the transplantation. And now you can roll it in this way. Inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. And that's the whole side. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts, such as like the separate valve cap and the valve rods. Actually, if you see carefully, you can see the coating figures on the surface of the valve cap. For product, we had the quality guaranteed. For this one, 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. All is okay, so no worries. If you like a product, please just do it. And here, Kathleen would like to share with you about these 3 tips about this control valve, because we're not only selling it, we also want to share our experience in these areas. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. And the second tip is if you install it, you'd better to make sure this kind of valve cap in the right position, and this kind of valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's all the tips I'd like to share with you. Okay, that's all the introductions. At last, if you still have other questions, please leave the comments below these videos, and after I see that, I'll reply you. And also, you can follow us at the YouTube or the Facebook account, or search on our website, leave the comments, or just call us. It's okay. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.